Well, let's show you what's the hand tool and what are doing the hand tool. It's here in this bar. If they click on the hand tool and go on my project here, we can move by holding click. Scroll for zoom, I zoom it, I click and I hold it to see the details. I scroll back, and if I want to see something in this corner, scroll, hold click and move where I need to see closer. Something like your hand and they are moving, you are moving. If I play my video, press spacebar on the keyboard, I can see zoomed in my video file. They want to see in this area of my video. Move like this, and I can see zoomed on this area on this corner of my video. This is the hand tool in After Effects. Down move and zoom without do anything work when the hand tool is selected. Thanks for watching.